Hey. So, right now I'm at the cell next to my house, and my mom had went into the thing, and then this creepy guy walks past. He starts staring, and he stops and starts staring at me. But then he keeps going because he thinks that I saw him, and I did see him. Like, what? So, walked past, he stopped and stared. Then he left. And he's like gone now. I can't see him anywhere. If he was just a passerby, then, like, I don't know if I'm freaking out or if he's actually a creep, because I don't know right now. So, straight up, he walked past, and then when he got right here, he started staring. He just started blatantly staring into the car. Or at the car. I don't know. But then he thinks that I saw him. And I quickly looked down and started recording. Because I thought he wouldn't have left by now, but he left. I pressed the record button, and next thing I knew, I saw him running off. If I would have saw him, I would have blurred his face. But yeah, it's weird. Hey Mom. So just a second ago, this creepy guy walked past the car, and then when he got about right there, he started staring. And then I quickly looked down and started pressing the record button. And the next thing I knew, I looked up and he was running.
He's running away.
Yeah. So, yeah. Because I thought I could have caught him on the tape. I could have caught him on tape if he wouldn't have ran away.
Well, so you see why Mommy always is like, lock your door when I leave. Because people think, oh, there's a little kid, and either they want you or they just throw you out and steal the car. You know? The keys are in the car. It's already running and ready to go. It's nothing to be like, get out, little girl, and make you leave and just drive away. And then we're both stuck with no car, you know? Or they could just jump in the car and leave and take you with him. Make you their slave. No one would ever know what happened to you. And everybody will be like, what happened? I was in the store paying for gas and I left Radiance in the car. And Granny would probably beat me crazy because she'd feel like it was my fault for even leaving you in the car. You know? It's so dangerous out here in this world. So that's why Mommy's always like, lock the door. I know you have your phone, and I should have taken my phone with me so that you could call me if you need me. But I was really thinking that I would be right back and it wouldn't be a problem. Be back, baby.
So yeah, he stopped and stared. Then next thing I knew, he was gone. He had already made it like halfway past. So it must have been fast. Anyway.
I'm so glad that you're okay and that nothing happened.
Yeah, so he just ran off and I don't know where he went. Do you think I should have stared or kept
No,
kept
you did the right
pressing
thing.
the recording button?
You did the right thing. What did he look like?
He
As
was,
long as he didn't say anything to you or touch our car, then we don't have any business with
he
him.
was white.
If he was just
blonde hair
standing
and
back
brown eyes.
staring, then he was just staring, and that's not a crime. It's creepy, but not a crime. But if he had come up to you or the car, touched you or the car, or said something to you, then of course you record him and you keep the doors locked. And if you need to, you start boom, 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 pressing the horn to draw everyone's attention and eyes to you. And then that way he definitely won't do anything because everybody's watching. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
That's a plan for if I'm ever gone and you're in the car and somebody starts to bother you.
But it was weird because as soon as I looked down, he thought that I wasn't paying attention anymore and ran off. Like he was scared that I was going to do something or something. He was white, he was blonde, and he had brown eyes. He just stood there,
How close was he?
staring. He was about
Like where that red car is, where that black car is, where that gold car is.
he was where that gold car was. He was over there. He was just eyeing me up and down. I don't know why.
Will you get out with me
Yeah.
and come in Walmart? I'll even let you ride in a basket. Come on, baby.
So yeah,
I don't really want you to stay in.
you don't want me to stand.
Not after that.
You're scared right now. So, yeah. I'm gonna end it because I was gonna post it all over YouTube so that many people would know about it and be like, wait, what? So, oh wait, my recording isn't off. 1 second.